trying to be nice, but I'm gonna have to use my hammer. Okay, so sorry about the noise. Yeah. Honey, I'm home. This is, you know, whatever. Whatever. Honey, I'm home. Lot of dust over here. Look at this thing. Go ahead. Take this over here. Come on, look at that, huh? Yeah. I got stick on it. Look at it here. Look at that. That's disgusting. Look at all this. All that crap there. Huh? Oh man. Got a big return there. Okay. Alright guys, let's keep going over here. I'm gonna trying to knock this thing down out of here. It's a lot of work. Somebody need a job or looking for a job? Send me a feedback. I know. You ask for help, they don't give you no help. Okay. Sit tight there, guys. Sit tight there, and I could keep banging this thing over here. See if I can get it out. come on all the way. Honey, I'm home. Yeah. Demolition winch is back. I'm not over yet, guys. This thing is kicking my butt. Well, I'm not over yet. And I'm gonna get it out. She's fighting with me, but I'm gonna get it out. Alright? So I'll be right back. Where's the hammer? Put the hammer over here. I'm gonna hit it. Over here. Guys, I'll be right back, okay? Stay tuned. You got more to coming.